All right, this is part 2 of disassembling the mini split. We're actually going to be reassembling after we cleaned it. Check out part 1 if you guys haven't seen it yet. This is the senville mini split 9,000 BTUs. We are reattaching this air divider. Remember, this part goes in on the left side. All right, so we just slide this in and we pop it into place with the 2 tabs, like so, on both sides. Oh, maybe not. All right, next we want to reattach the grill. The J hooks are gonna go in the bottom, these little pinholes. There's little holes in there for those. Make sure they're all lined up. There is 4 total. Line those up in the holes like that, and they should pop into place here. And then put your DeWalt drill to use. Just snug, you don't want to break anything. All right. Next is the lever or louver. Comment what you guys call it. 2 tabs, one here, one here. Line them up to this here, like so, on each side. And they should pop into place right there. Got it. Attach the motor. The motor sits in here. There's a little slip here. See that part? It goes into that slip. But it has to go in here and into the lever as well. Make sure it's all lined up. And there's a little notch here that goes here. Make sure that's lined up right. Use the smaller of the Phillips screws that you removed here to reinsert that. All right, the next part is attaching the main cover. We're gonna start from the bottom. Line it up. Make sure all that's in there. Line it up from the bottom. And these tabs up here, make sure all 4 of them, 5 of them pop into place. Like that, like that. Wonderful. Let's open this up. And we're gonna go ahead and reattach our wires. Oh, there's tube here that we got stuck on earlier. Let's get that position right. This just tucks under here and through this curve here and through the top there, like so. And the next one is the power cable. I'm gonna reattach these 2. Like so. Tuck it in. All right, plate back in here. It pops right back in. It's a little snug, but it popped right back in. Reattach the screw here. One last screw. Has to be done with the screwdriver, old school. Keep the levers straight. Sounds good. Keep the levers straight. And that is how you assemble it. Get the power turned back on at the breaker, and we are blowing at more efficient, better efficiency. I recommend doing this at least once a year. Again, this is the senville 9,000 BTU mini split. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.